My name is Carter Bucci. I'm an elementary education major. I chose McDaniel because as soon as I stepped on campus, it felt like home. I knew I wanted a small school, and McDaniel was the right choice for me.
My name is Ashley Barnes. I'm majoring in psychology and then double minoring in forensic science and criminal justice.
I chose McDaniel because I really wanted someplace where I felt like I could connect with the professors super easy. I didn't want to go to a big school where I was just another face among like 300 students, and I feel like I'm supported in and outside of the classroom, which is really important to me.
My name is Jay Artist, and I'm a social work major. My favorite spot on campus is Mid-Level Raj by the big windows. You can look out at the skyline and it looks like it goes on forever, and I love it so much.
Hi, my name is Kira Khan, and I'm a biology major, and I'm minoring in chemistry and Arabic. My favorite spot on campus is the porch next to the library. I like to sit there whenever it gets warm, and I either have lunch there, sometimes we have our class outside, or I just go there to study with a friend. And of course, I also love Red Square and just sitting out in Red Square.
My name is Nicholas Henderson. I am a senior at McDaniel, and I am a history major. One of my favorite traditions on campus is Earth Day, sort of celebration that they have every year, where they have a bunch of activities around our main courtyard, and they go over just different earth and environmental like clubs and different programs that are within the Westminster area community. It's always fun to get out and do some painting or learn about different sort of environmental activities that are going on that you can join.
Hi, my name is Jack Sears. I'm a computer science and math major. My favorite on-campus tradition is the Out of Darkness into the Light event at the end of the first semester. Campus looks absolutely beautiful, and I love going around with my friends and doing the activities and completing as many as possible.
My name is Sabina Alvarez-Prats. I'm a double major in cinematography and American Sign Language. I'm involved in a multitude of different groups and organizations. Basically, I am the founder of the ANC Cinema Club here on McDaniel campus. I'm also the president of their TV Club, which is a filming club here. I am the treasurer for American Sign Language Club, and I'm also part of the Student Government Association as the special events chair. And I'm also a part of the women's wrestling team, and I'm the first graduate for the program.
My name is Kira Bolin, and I'm a double major in philosophy and business administration.
I'm a peer mentor. I've been a peer mentor since my sophomore year. I'm in the Black Student Union as the vice president. I'm a part of SGA as vice president, and I'm Dr. Smith's student fellow.
My name is Seth Hurt, and my major is kinesiology. The advice I would have to any incoming students is just try to your full ability at everything. The big lesson I learned here at McDaniel is you don't know if you don't try. I've been exposed to a bunch of different opportunities here just because I've tried things, whether it's meeting people through being Gil, whether it's talking to people through internships or networking events. It's definitely just good to go out and try and put yourself out there. Even if you're not the most social person, it's still a good benefit to be able to put yourself out there and make connections with other people.
My name is Jamie Pereira. I'm a sociology major with minors in criminal justice and political science. My advice to first-year students would be to interact with your professors. Don't just go straight back to your dorm afterwards. There's a lot of great professors here on campus, and they're genuinely interested in your success.
My name is Victoria Walker, and my major is writing and publishing. My plans after graduation would probably be going back to South Korea. I made a lot of friends there, and I had such a great time that I would want to spend a few years there, and then also settling down to do editing for publication.
My name is Kate Principio. I'm a health science major with a double minor in chemistry and psychology. Currently, after graduation, I will be doing a 8-week internship in Prague with their Institute of Organic Chemistry and Biochemistry, working in a medicinal chemistry lab, so drug synthesis, which I'm really excited for. After that, just going back to the States and gearing towards chemistry and applied grad school.